Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Consulting and why you need to choose it. Some PPC agencies and freelancers wouldn't agree that content is king if for no other reason than because it's a point of professional pride. But all differences aside, proper content can facilitate customer acquisition by providing the customers with the information they need. Provide services that deliver the most value. Providing value in the context of PPC management services can sometimes be boiled down to providing the best possible impact on the bottom line. And it's true, as a customer-centric business, you should carefully balance between caring about your customers' bottom line and yours. Use the right kinds of tools. Is a PPC manager only as good as the tools they use? Probably not. Would it be possible to do your job without good tools? Maybe, but the competition would eat you alive. Tools like Ahrefs and SEMRush are ubiquitous for a reason, as is Google's keyword planner. However, the tighter your operating budget is, the more important it becomes to use only the tools that give your customers exactly what they need. Nothing more and nothing less. Let's say you're using display advertising to remarket to your clients' customers. If you want to use a click fraud protection tool, as you should, it would be best that you used a tool that has specific functionalities in place for display advertising. The ability to use ad placements as a source and block them can be of tremendous value. That's why we offer it as part of our Click Fraud Protection and Prevention tool. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.